Hey guys, this video is about hospital bag. You find lot of videos about hospital bag, but in India the custom is completely different. The way it is different is people are here to help us always. We have our mother, our in-laws to help us. Uh, so let's get started. You need to pack your bag when you're reaching 36 weeks. Pack a separate bag for yourself and pack a separate bag for your baby. Let's see what to pack for yourself at first. Let me show everything here one by one. One thing I'm not included here is your medical records and insurance papers. Keep that as the first thing. So yeah, keep all your toiletries like your face wash, soap, shampoo, paste, and your toothbrush in a separate bag. Next is your wallet. It is not just enough if you keep your cards alone. Sometimes you need to carry cash because some places they do not accept cards and you have to pay in cash. Next is your mobile phone, your headset, your charger. See to that you do not put any pin or pattern to lock your phone because you will hand over your phone to your husband or to someone else and they would find it difficult to put your pin or your pattern. I always prefer to have a notepad and pen with me. Take a stole or a dupatta that is nice and big enough because you need to feed your baby and you want to cover yourself and your baby and you don't want to open up and you may find uncomfortable, so it is always a great help carrying a dupatta. Take all your makeup items in a small bag. You will not find time to groom yourself, so you can keep these things minimal. You can enjoy being normal and simple. Take your hair comb, body lotion, your face cream, watch, bands to tie your hair, your clutch or clip, your lip balm, your eyeliner or eye pencil, your hairband. You will definitely require a hairband because you don't want your hair to fall while you're breastfeeding. Next is your sanitary pad. You didn't have your periods for 9 months period of time and you will have your periods now for at least 20 to 25 days and it can be longer too. That basically depends. This one is something you have to stick to your panty. Initially, either it is a normal delivery or a C-section, you can get the carefree type, the one that is not required to stick to your panty. Next is breast pad. This is a disposable breast pad from Philips A1 brand. It is not essential that you have to get this while packing your hospital bag. I'm sharing this since I wanted all new moms to know that your milk will flow out of your dress and there is something available in the market to control them. You will need to use this inside your nursing bra, your towel, your panties. Next is the maternity bra or nursing bra. You definitely need to get 2 or 3 before your delivery. I prefer this latch type, the latch at the top. There are several types in the market, but I find this more comfortable. You need 2 or more maternity or feeding dress before delivery. This is from a brand Mothers to Be. I got it before delivery itself because you have few options when it comes to maternity clothes and this is so comfortable. It is made out of cotton and you have very nice space near your belly region. I call this a maternity or a nursing dress because you have a vertical or horizontal zip where you can open and you can feed your baby. Keep one changing dress separately because you need one while starting from hospital to home. I've listed all that is required for a mother. The numbers basically depends on how long you're going to stay in the hospital. Next we can see what all is required for a baby. You need a swaddle blanket. This is a ready-made swaddle blanket. This helps in keeping your baby warm, especially when you're carrying from hospital to home. I'll show you how to use this. Place your baby here. Bring the bottom first. then the left, and close this way. You may or may not tie it. And this is from a brand Tiny Care. Babies would require a lot of towels in different sizes. I'm showing 3 different sizes here. The big one, soon after baby's bath, you can place your baby in this towel first. And this is from the brand Tiny Care again. A medium sized towel to clean your baby after a bath. Babies are so tiny and they don't require a big towel as we do after cleaning. It is sufficient if we have medium sized towel, so you can get 1 or 2 like these. In case if you're giving a sponge bath, then you would require a hand towel like this. Next is changing mat. You definitely require a changing mat, just in case you want to give a sponge bath or you want to change a diaper. As you see here, one side is made out of cotton, the other is made out of plastic sheet. Next is baby's dress. Any cloth that touch the baby's skin should be washed before using. When it comes to baby's dress, there are 4 types. The one with buttons, I prefer this the most because you need to place your baby here and then put on the buttons. So it is that simple. The next with the strings on the end, you need to bring it through the head and then tie the knots at the end. The next is onesies. When it comes to one size, you have to use a disposable diaper, else you cannot use an onesies. The fourth one is the bunion type. I do not recommend the bunion type for a newborn because you have to get the head and the hands perfect. For a newborn, the head wouldn't be steady and it would be difficult to get it right. Get a sweater, cap, socks. The next important and most essential thing is the hand sanitizer. Every time you touch your baby, you need to sanitize your hand. You can also ask your guests to sanitize themselves. You can get one that is alcohol free. Your baby piss and poops a lot, you definitely need wet wipes. You have to open the seal and just pull out one. Get a baby lotion or a baby powder or get both of them. To evenly spread the powder in your baby's body, you need a powder puff. This is from the brand Mimi. Or if you don't have a powder puff, initially what you can do is just take some powder in your hands and spread them on the baby's body. And then a shampoo. This is from the brand Sebamed. A baby soap and a nail clipper or a nail. When it comes to baby's diapers, there is a lot of confusion on what to choose and how to use. I suggest you not to use disposable diaper initially, at least for the first few days, because they do have chemicals on them to absorb the urine. If you are pregnant, I would suggest you to collect soft old cotton clothes like old saris, chudidars. There could be nothing better than the old cotton clothes, not even the store-bought nappy pads. However, I am showing a few other options here. Let's see how to use a nappy pad. Place a baby bottom here. The middle layer is made of cotton. Close them and tie the knot. Thin plain cotton clothes are also available. You need to tie them similar to the nappy pads. You can cut your old cotton clothes into big pieces or even small pieces. Don't even discard a very small piece because you need lot of clothes. Use a disposable diaper if you want. Each time after feeding your baby, it is important to clean your baby's mouth. See to that it is nice, long and clean cloth. It should be lightly thicker in material. The last and most important you require for your baby is the quick dry sheet. The material is made out of cotton in the front and plastic in the other end. This helps in absorbing baby's urine. Let me show you how to use the quick dry sheet. Considering this to be your baby's bed, you can either spread the quick dry sheet completely in the bed or fold them into half so that your baby's bottom alone touches it. Now cover it with an old sari or any other soft cotton cloth. You can now place your baby here. This is available in various sizes: small, large, extra large. Here are a few items which can be carried by the person who is gonna accompany you. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you like this video and do comment for any clarification, or if you found it useful. Subscribe this channel for more updates on pregnancy and childcare.